but them folly a show. Me see the system a crumble and blow. Babylon walls gonna tumble low. Ancient wisdom gonna make us grow. Chant down Babylon, hear the rhythm sounding strong. Chant down Babylon, where we truly belong. Chant down Babylon, singing freedom song. Chant down Babylon, righting every wrong. Rastafari know the truth unfeigned. From creation story it's explained. No fear, no doubt, our spirit unchained. Only pure love in our heart retain. Chant down Babylon, hear the rhythm sounding strong. Chant down Babylon, where we truly belong. Chant down Babylon, singing freedom song. Chant down Babylon, righting every wrong. Yeah. From the roots we rise, never bowed. No chains can hold us, no longer allowed. Spirit of ancestors speaking out loud. Break every barrier from the ignorant crowd. Oh, chant down Babylon, hear the rhythm sounding strong. Chant down Babylon, where we truly belong. Chant down Babylon, singing freedom song. Chant down Babylon, righting every wrong. Yo, this system try to hold you down, trap you in a them concrete town. But your spirit a volcano fire, gonna burn them down higher and higher. Word sound powerizing, every voice you're naming. Chant down Babylon walls, hear the ancestors call. Them say you're small, them say you're weak. Them words just a trick and a bleak. But a lion roar deep inside your soul, gonna make them lose all control. Words sound powerizing, every voice you're naming. Chant down Babylon walls, hear the ancestors call. No fear, no doubt, no more delay. Rastaman say, come what may. Open your mind, open your heart wide. Let the truth be your guide. Words sound powerizing, every voice your name in. Chant down Babylon walls, hear the ancestors call. like the river low. Elders a chant while the moonlight glow. Them tell me say, son, you reap what you sow. Chant it low, chant it true. Elder roots a guide you through. Hear the rhythm, feel the truth. Wisdom from the elder roots. Chant it low, chant it true. Elder roots a guide you through. Hear the rhythm, feel the truth. Wisdom from the elder roots. Them say Babylon now break the tree. Strong like the mountain, roots run free. Lion at a beating on me chest, you see. For the journey long, but me destiny. Rise up, rise up. Not take defeat. The chant of the fire, the drum, the heartbeat. Chant it loud, chant it true. Elder roots a guide you through. Hear the rhythm, feel the truth. Wisdom from the elder roots. Your light shine bright in a darkest place. Roots hold firm through the trials face. Me now bow down to the wicked pace. Elder wisdom, the saving grace. Concrete jungle loving, Babylon them scheming, but the ancestral drumming, you hear it keep beating. Hear the rhythm calling from the mountain high, never ever falling beneath a wicked sky. Oh Zion, chant of redemption.
Lion of Judah,
Rise with conviction, spirit burning bright. Eternal flame, guiding us to light.
eyes to light,
Speak his holy name.
speak his holy name.
Oh, oh, oh. Them try to shackle with mine,
With them empty promise
with
made,
them empty promises, but true wisdom we find
in ancient promise we find.
in ancient prophecies. Every soul a fighter, every heart a son, chasing after higher until the battle done. Oh Zion, chant of redemption.
Lion of Judah,
Rise with conviction, spirit burning bright. Eternal flame, guiding us to light.
speak his holy name.
Speak his holy name.
Speak
One love, one destiny. From the dust to the chorus, chant it eternally. Them not sleep. Echoes rise from the belly of the deep. Moonlight dance upon the ocean skin. Jah whisper say the journey begin. Peter tell me rise up strong. Find where it belongs. Drums of the deep night calling me soul. Waves are crash, but me still hold. Drums of the deep night make me rise. Truth in the rhythm, open the eyes. Them say the stars are map, me say them guide. Footprints in a sand where the spirit abide. Wind a chant rhythm, ancient and true. Deep call unto deep, me heart break through. The rhythm say fight, the rhythm say pray. Hold the line till the break of day. Drums of the deep night calling me soul. Waves are crash, but me still hold. Drums of the deep night make me rise. Truth in the rhythm, open me eyes. Like lion stride, wisdom deep it nah go hide. Roots them strong from Zion tide. Them call him the Grassland prophet. Him voice make the storm get quiet. Oh, Jaja guide him step through the hills and valley. Nah, no fret. Him carry the fire, the truth, the net. Grassland prophet, him nah forget. Oh, Jaja guide him step through the hills and valley. Nah, no fret. Him carry the fire, the truth, the net. Grassland prophet. Oh step. Oh, Jaja, guide him step through the hills and valley. Nah, no fret, him carry the fire, the truth, the net. Grassland prophet, him not forget. Grassland prophet. Oh, them can't bind the wind, can't change the wave, can't lock the spirit where Jaja gave him. Say live for the love, live for the brave. Grassland wisdom in Africa. Grassland prophet. Concrete jungle Babylon, stealing souls from the morning sun. Children hungry, mama crying. Them a fight, but them still denying. Mystical Rocksteady river, flowing deep forever and ever. Wash away the lies and pain, bringing forth the truth again. Rastaman chant in the wilderness, seeking out the righteousness. Chains are breaking, spirit rising. No more fear, no compromising. One love, one heart, tearing Babylon apart. Mystical Rocksteady river, flowing deep forever and ever. Wash away the lies and pain, bringing forth the truth again. I know my struggle, my soul's desire, burning bright like a sacred fire. Open my eyes, let me clearly see, set my people truly free.
Them say the roots don't fade, me say no so. The drum still beat, the fire still glow. They on the corner where the elders know. Truth in a rhythm it can't overthrow. Rise up the spirit, make the lion roar. This your revival, can't ignore. Are the great roots revival, feel it in your soul. Are the great roots revival, make the broken whole. Are the great roots revival, Jah love take control. Oh, yeah. Oh, them chase the shadow, but the light still there. Wisdom flow like river, it can't betray. From the mountain high to the ocean spray, every seed them plant it a grow same way. Heart of the drum make the truth unfold. This year revival, the story told. The great roots revival, feel it in your soul. Oh, the great roots revival, make the broken whole. Oh, the great roots revival, Jah love take control. Oh, yeah.
Winds are blow, make your spirit known. Roots dig deep, deeper than stone. Chant down Babylon, make them see freedom right on the old fig tree. Oh, valley of sacred echoes, call me name, the rhythm of the hills, the fire and flame. Oh, valley of sacred echoes, make me whole, me heart a beat to the drum of the soul. Them hills are top, them mountains sing, every leaf a wisdom, every bird a king. River run slow, but the lessons cling. Truth no hide, you can't buy the thing. Lift up your voice, let the spirits flow. Them ancient chants, we a take them slow. Oh, valley of sacred echoes, call me name, the rhythm of the hills, the fire and flame. Oh, valley of sacred echoes, make me whole, me heart a beat to the drum of the soul.
Up on the hilltop where the lions sleep, wisdom I grow like roots them deep. Stars them shine like Jah watching we. Zion breeze, it a blow me soul. Carry me higher where the rivers roll. Zion breeze, make me heart feel old.
Babylon crumble, them can't take my pride. I feel move forward, can't take no slack.